Hey guys, just a quick one on some early Cleveland ProStock hacks you can see on here. And not only mentioning the high port 4Vs you can see here, but the typical electronic A-cell distributor commonly used and being a cable drive unit operating that vintage Moroso tachometer you can see on here. Can also see the hacked and welded stock valve covers to clear the valve train. There's ingenuity at its best there. And also that early Mr. Gasket or Moroso electric drive water pump that even I used on my old NA Clevo combo 25 years ago. Works great both on the street and track that, giving you an easy freed up 8 to 12 horsepower for sure. This is a Gapp Roush old ProStock Mustang here being fully restored at Roush's workshop, and had dragged out an old inventory ProStock Cleveland of his that he never ran because it didn't quite cut the mustard back at that time. This particular one shown here that's fitted up is actually a D-stroker, 335 cubic inch high ported Cleveland, and was said that he actually didn't like that particular bore and stroke combination on that. Remember, these guys tried so many combo variants and, it's not funny. Also, Roush recalls taking them out to 9,000 plus RPMs or when a valve tossed. But they did make power all the way to 8,200, he stated. Now, look, that's badass. Another Cleveland player from back then is Animal Jim, who scored a pass-down but purchased ProStock Cleveland Pinto from Gapp Roush and gained a lot of knowledge from Roush over all them years. Animal Jim raced all types of Cleveland variants from the mid-70s all the way to the mid-80s, from stock blocked to XE prefix NASCAR blocks, and even the rare Ford alloy Cleveland blocks that I've also done a previous video on. Animal Jim in these later times had also put together a lot of period correct but hardcore combinations of high ported 4V Cleveland race motors for customers of his. Guys, look, feel free to pause and zoom in to some of the answered interviews on here from Animal Jim. Really interesting insight and mentions a lot of cool things about the Cleveland 4V high ports, the tunnel rams, carbs, etc. Even mentioning the installed and dyno tested 4V intake fins that you can also see on Tim's YouTube channel, Drag Boss Garage. So just a quick one here, another couple of, old school Cleveland legends. And again, thanks for tuning in, guys.